How much production time could you save if machines were diagnosed and resolved before they cause costly downtime? At CIDAN Machinery, our goal is simple: minimize downtime with no hassle. Unexpected downtime can impact productivity, disrupt schedules, and affect your bottom line. That's why we developed the nuLINK maintenance interface to help keep your operation running smoothly and efficiently. With built-in connectivity and remote access capabilities, nuLINK gives service teams the tools they need to diagnose issues faster, perform updates remotely, and help keep your machine operating at peak performance. Automatic backups and cloud-based recovery provide an additional layer of protection, while real-time machine monitoring helps identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Why do operators love the nuLINK maintenance interface? Remote access to PLC and HMI for faster support, real-time machine monitoring, automatic backups and cloud-based recovery, online software updates without physical connections, reduce service wait times, and improve machine uptime. The result? Less downtime, faster troubleshooting, and more time focused on what matters most: production. nuLINK from CIDAN Machinery. Smart connectivity, faster support, maximum uptime.